In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're reviewing documents for work, annotating a PDF for study, or simply enhancing your digital reading material, knowing how to highlight text effectively in Adobe Acrobat can be incredibly valuable. So let's dive right in and explore how you can do this efficiently. To get started, you'll want to open Adobe Acrobat on your computer, bringing you to the home page of the application. Here, you'll usually see a couple of options prominently displayed. Take note of the choices like Create or Recent Work. For our purposes today, you'll want to focus on Recent Work. This will enable you to quickly access the document you've recently been working on without the hassle of searching through folders on your computer. Once you've clicked on Recent Work, you should see a list of documents you've worked on. From this list, go ahead and select the most recent document you need to highlight. It's a straightforward process, but make sure you're selecting the correct file you intend to annotate. With your document open, the next step is to begin highlighting the text. To do this, move your cursor to the section where you need to apply the highlight. Simply click and drag over the words you wish to emphasize. As you glide your cursor over the text, you'll see it being selected. Once you have the desired text highlighted, release the mouse button. Then, locate the Highlight Selected Text option, which should be easily accessible from the toolbar above or in a context menu that appears. Click it, and voila, your text is now highlighted. For those who want to add a personal touch or better organize their annotations, Adobe Acrobat allows you to change the color of your highlight. This can be particularly useful if you're handling a document where multiple points need to be differentiated. To change the color, look for the highlighter tool in the top menu or the side panel of your Adobe Acrobat window. From there, you'll typically see an array of color options. Pick the one that suits your needs, whether it's a vibrant yellow for something important or a calm blue for general notes. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now equipped to highlight text in Adobe Acrobat like a pro. Keep in mind that regular practice with these tools will help you navigate and use Adobe Acrobat more efficiently over time. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tips and tutorials on how to make the most of your digital tools.